All right, this is Shomari Clark, January 3rd, 2018. We're doing test run number 2 on the show. This time we're gonna, guys, I'm gonna do it sort of like how the show is gonna be in a way. Okay, so we put the new camera up here, the Digi one, and let's try this. So, hello, my name's Shomari Clark. If you don't know, I'm a forex trader. You can go see my work at forexfactory.com. Type in my name, Shomari, and you can see my trades. I put them up there. I used to put them up there. But you could just see my successes and, hear about me and, see what I'm about. This show is not going to be about Forex, though. It's going to be related in that it's about, general economics and investing. Around this news site, this channel that I'm making right here, this isn't going to be about telling you, what crypto to buy and get rich quick and stuff. We're going to be doing real investing around here. Okay, so if you want to know about real investing, you want to know, how to analyze companies and like things like that. That's what it's going to be about. And what you have to understand is we're this whole cryptocurrency craze. We have to understand really what it is. These are blockchain services companies, right? Ripple is a company. There's a CEO. It's not just some currency you're buying. There's a CEO. You can apply for a job there. They just hooked up with Bank of America and American Express. These are companies. So to invest properly in this new Internet 2.0 craze, which is about to happen between the middle of this year and next year, is we got to get in now. And you got to get in now like we did back in the days when the dot-com bubble of the 90s. You got to make your analysis. There's going to be plenty of money to be made. But we want to pick the right things, and we want to get the right products from the right companies that are going to last. You know what I mean? Microsoft is still here. You ever heard of Gateway anymore? Well, for you young kids out there, there used to be a company called Gateway Computers. Very amazing, very big computer company. Not there anymore. So if you invested in Dell's still there. Gateway's not. So you see, you have to really, that's what we're going to be doing around here. We're going to be looking into the investment. I'm going to talk to you about the news. I'm going to tell you about the regulations coming in. I'm going to tell you about crypto news. So around here, I'm not going to be telling you what to buy, but I'm going to tell you what companies are doing. And so in that way, you can analyze whether you think that that's a good investment opportunity or not. What else is going to go on around here? So yeah, news, crypto news. And then maybe Friday I'll do some sort of, question and answer type thing. And we can do like that. Also, I don't want this just to be, I'm not trying to be some like YouTube memer guy. I'm chilling out here in South Beach with my money. Like I don't have time to be some internet star. But I do want to build a community, sort of like a blockchain investment club. I'm the one on the channel making it, but I want us to eventually have some sort of chat rooms where you guys are chatting amongst each other. We're all trading ideas. Look, the blockchain is coming. It's coming hard. All you guys out there, ask your CEOs. Hey, CEO, hey, were you hearing anything about the blockchain? Go to your IT guys and be like, hey, guys, you know what I mean? You ain't hearing anything about this blockchain? What are we looking at implementing here? What companies are we looking at partnering with? You know what I mean? Get a feel for this thing, this industry that's coming here. And with all our brains put together, we could get some really good intelligence. And not to, sound spooky, but I remember these are not regulated securities. So if you get insider information, there's nothing illegal about that. It's not like Microsoft and like the CEO tells you what's going on. And no, you're not allowed to trade off that. These are not regulated securities, folks. Just saying. If you want to bring a little information to the table, I'll be glad to disseminate for you later on down the road. So, this is not get rich quick. We're about to invest. We're about to make a bucket loads of money. The big boys are coming into the market now, so I'll be keeping you abreast on that. The new hedge funds, the ETFs coming in, mutual fund managers. I think I saw a Bitcoin IRA coming out the other day. So we're going to keep track of the market. And as that big money comes in, you see, that's why we got to get in now, because right now they're afraid, but they're coming in slowly. When they see American Express using Ripple, oh, what does that tell you? Whoa, this blockchain thing is real. When, what's that company there in Europe, that big shipping company, Hall, I think it's called, or something like that. Maersk, M-A-E-R-S-K, Maersk. Yeah, they're on the blockchain now. Amazon's getting on the blockchain. So this is real. You know what I mean? And this is the brand new industry. This is going to be Internet 2.0. I know I look young, guys. Actually, I'm 44 years old. I haven't had a 9-to-5 job in 18 years. My money makes me money. That's why I live in South Beach here chilling with my loot, putting my money to work for me. And let me tell you, as a 44-year-old man, I was alive during the dot-com bubble. I was alive during the whole 90s. And I remember, people were just throwing money at any old thing that put .com in their name and were making money. This blockchain thing, this is the same thing. It's going to even be bigger. It's even going to be bigger because every single company is going to be on some sort of blockchain. Who knows which companies are going to implement it. That's how we're going to be analyzing and picking out the good ones to invest in. But yeah, every company by next year, you're going to see CVS commercials of, hey, we've got your prescriptions on the blockchain. McDonald's, getting you your Big Mac on the blockchain. Oh, Bank of America, new faster transfers because now we're on the blockchain. No more 2-day transfers for your money to get from your bank account to your trading account. No, 2 to 4 seconds because now we're on the Ripple network. That's what's going to happen in 2019. The institutional investors are just starting to come in this year. So the money is just starting to flow in. And so that's why we got to get in now. Well, I'm already in, but if you're not in, get in now. Because once the big money comes, they're just going to be driving prices up. And, if you can get in on the bottom floor of some lucrative companies here, just like the dot-com days, if you're old enough to remember that, just remember that. Remember those days. Remember the frenzy. That's what we're about to see next year. By the end of next year, your grandmama is going to know what a distributed ledger is, which is what a blockchain is for those of you who don't know. And we'll also be doing blockchain. I'll do a little bit of that, like just teaching you about it, because I know you're probably not all investors. You're just kind of interested in this crypto stuff. So I'm going to actually tell you what the blockchain is and, how it works. It's a distributed ledger, and there's different flavors. All those companies making them, those are all different flavors of one thing called a blockchain. All right, except IOTA, they got their thing called a Tangle. Similar. But anyway, so that's what to expect here. We're going to be investing. We're going to be riding together. We're going to be making money together. Yeah, I want this to be a community. I'm going to be, keeping you up to breast on the daily news. I know a lot of you probably are, 9-to-5 workers and stuff like that. So it'll be easy for you to just come here, get your daily news, bang, go feed the kids, whatever. So yeah, that's what we're going to do around here. So that's kind of the intro. And then what I'm going to do right now is just sort of a test run of what it's going to be like on the show. So something kind of like this. So today in daily news, Facebook has come out and said that they are banning ads for Bitcoin and ICOs. Apparently, they're just not down. And this is according to the site CoinDesk. And they say that they're not going to allow any advertising of Bitcoin or ICOs on their site because they say it's risky investments. Okay, just to know, just food for thought. Okay, we'll get into that one in a minute. We'll get into that one in a second. So if you guys know, I don't know, maybe some of you have been on it, BitConnect just went out of business. They were basically a Ponzi scheme. They were guaranteeing returns on investment. Listen, people, come on. How many times are you going to get suckered? Anytime someone guarantees you return on investment, it just means they're giving you the money from the guy before you. In fact, they're going to give your money to the guy before you, and then you're going to get the money out of the guy that's coming later. So what BitConnect did was, that's what they were doing. They offered their own coin, and they guaranteed, I don't know, some sort of percentage of, obviously, when I do this in real life, I'll have all the information here instead of just a printout like this. But they were offering up to a 3,000% return. I mean, are you crazy? Come on, people. They get suckered by that. And then, so, of course, people join up. They just give the last guys, the guys who got in first, the money of the last guys to come in. So, can't get scammed like that. Now, this is good news. This is the kind of stuff I like to hear. Another blockchain ETF has been launched. An ETF is an exchange-traded fund. Go look them up. Big money. That's kind of the big money stuff, okay? That means the big dogs are coming in. Actually, we'll do another show soon. I'm going to get this thing off the ground by next week properly, and I'll do daily shows and everything. But the SEC has been has been inundated with fund managers, hedge fund guys, mutual fund guys, all these ETF guys want to come out. That's what they want to pool the money and get into this market now. And so let's see. There's been another blockchain ETF launch. There was 2 last month. I'll read those 2 another time. Invasion Shares LLC, Next Game Protocols ETF, ticker symbol KON, went live on the New York Stock Exchange, ARCA Exchange, this morning. As of press time, price data was through the New York Stock Exchange, showing that trading had begun. So, trading has begun, and it's $24.88 a share right now. So, that's the big money. ETF, exchange traded funds, are coming in now. I'm going to read to you, I'll show you the things. I have other news and stuff that I'm going to tell you, but this is just a test run. But that's what it's going to kind of be like, just me sitting here, the news, and then commenting on what I read to you. But I mean, since we're into it a little bit, look, guys, once the big money comes into the market, it's over. This stuff is going to rocket. It's going to shoot to the moon. I know people always say that, man. If you, like I said, if you remember the 90s, you know what I'm talking about. That's the real deal. Anyways, guys, so that was just a little sort of sample of what a show is going to be like. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to put this on YouTube. It's probably going to be down when I do the real ones, but okay. So got to go anyway. Someone's at my door. Bye.